Transforming a typical box fan into a mesmerizing spin art machine is as exciting as it sounds. Start by placing a piece of cardboard over the fan, securing it with tape to avoid any mishaps. Now, grab your choice of vibrant liquid acrylic paints and squeeze them onto the spinning cardboard, mindful not to overdo it. As the fan runs, the magic of centrifugal force takes over, flinging the paint outward in a spectacular pattern. This experiment exquisitely demonstrates centrifugal force in action, where the motion of spinning forces substances outward from the center. Not only does this activity bridge the realm of physics with artistry, but it also results in stunning one-of-a-kind artworks that embody the thrill of discovery and creation.